remember our forefathers who fought gallantly from Midwest and then peace and progress in abundance. Right now everything's in disarray. Even as our leaders be boasting, but none of them a do nothing. Peace and progress in abundance. Right now everything's in disarray. Even as our leaders be boasting, but none of them a do nothing. Nothing goes, we are in trouble. 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 Who will save us? He's a yam. Who's the decent man now? He's a yam. Let's talk much action. He's a yam. Bringing Christians, Muslims together. He's a yam. Assistance to farmers. He's a yam. Businessmen and women. He's a yam. Quality education. He's a yam. Sound healthcare delivery. He's a yam. Good governance. Good governance. Good governance. He's a yam. Good governance. Good governance. Good governance for good governance.
If you elect me as governor of Edo State, things go change.
Don't sweeter than honey. I will build bridge by no river. I will renovate our schools. Those by the roadside for all to see. I will help your business if you belong to my party. Promises, promises, all of them are fake promises. Promises, promises, all of them are fake promises. Promises, promises, all of them are fake promises. Promises, promises, all of them are fake promises.
Job not there. Even school fees don't go up. Other states they give poultry, they give scholarship. Why we don't fit one for Edo State?
Nothing goes, we are in trouble. 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 Who will save us? He's a yam. Who's the decent man now? He's a yam. Let's talk much action. He's a yam. Bringing Christians, Muslims together. He's a yam. Assistance to farmers. He's a yam. Businessmen and women. He's a yam. Quality education. He's a yam. Sound healthcare delivery. He's a yam. Good governance. Good governance. Good governance. He's a yam. Good governance. Good governance. Good governance for good. Let us be wise this time. 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 See what the workers are doing in Abuja. Everybody's crying, tears in my area. What will let those chapter do? What will let those chapter do? What will let those chapter do? What will let those chapter do?
Share the video, brothers and sisters, so that you know, say you can see my message over there. Remain calm, remain calm, remain calm. You know, according to my parable, always I always use my Benin parable, you know, based off how I used to grow, you know. Papa said, Pikin, you have to exercise patience, what we call patience, so that the enemy, they will leave the way. Yakwala, where is my charger? I'm looking for my charger. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Papa is doing short audio, you know. To remember my people, see that. To just come and come and come and come and come and come. Remain calm, don't be worried yourself. Remain calm. Remain calm. Remain calm. That is how we do, you know. So my people, let's enjoy music, so that music is the happiness of life, you know. So we don't have time to to be running enter scatter in the name of say no, we remain calm, you know. Pastor all the way, pastor all the way, pastor all the way. When every time your time I wear. Bro, if you are watching me, don't call me, please. I'm on live video. I'm on live audio, sorry. Don't call me, okay? Every Maya Ekpita, my matters, every year where Ruda where. I will go the way of Yazegbe and what you remajo. Don't be disturbing yourself in the name of say, I want to be that, I want to be this. Let's celebrate, man. Yes, sir. Talk back. Oga gba no baseki. Omo na gba nedo. Wetin we get? Both pastor is a yam. Make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all done the wait for. Now it's your year, make we grab and. So my people, keep on enjoying the music, and I also want to reserve. I have something important. Okay, he's trying to call me back. So I'm sorry, just a second, because I have a call with my leader. Hello? Rest daddy. Okay, my daddy. Okay, daddy. Okay, daddy. Okay, daddy. Don't I'll talk better. Okay. So my people, I'm sorry, just like a call come in through my leader, so I have to do what he said, you know. So let's go. Don't blame me because it's order from above, okay? So that is how we do. We respect the order. We are not God doing that, not respect the elders. We respect the elder and we respect our leaders. We are not God doing, don't respect in leader, you know. So a bank where you can when I having PDP versus APC. Oh, where my let's go. Talk back. Oga gba no baseki. Omo na gba nedo. Wetin we get? Both pastor is a yam. Make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all done the wait for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry. Yes, so I see voice. I softly relax myself, you know, in my balcony, you know, you can see me. That is my people over there. Hello to my brothers and sisters over there. I relax myself, you know. I often like make audio, you know, so that tomorrow is our live video, direct live video. That's we'll hear the compounds. And that's how I want to start between APC and PDP. Get ready to listen to Voice of Justice. We'll collaborate there. You understand? So let me draw the music so that you can hear me what I'm saying, my brothers and sisters. You know, I never greet anybody, but I just like do this audio. But I have to show myself. I'm in balcony, you can see me and your chill out, doing my things, rolling on my chair, you know, children sleeping. But on the very good day, we are coming. I tell you now, say, make una wait. The rain, if it fall, it go dry. It don't dry. Now time I'm to fire. Let's see you. Not be crowd, they see crowd, not be that they carry them. We believe in war. We don't believe in crowd because war is our destiny. That is what we believe. We believe in war. We don't believe in crowd. Because why? War is our destiny. That is why we don't look those motherfucking crowd. But on that day, we go see. Let's go to audio, bro, so that we can talk very well. Yes, so my people, right?
My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, no, now you say
On the bed.
Evido, Obaga Tokbere,
I'm sorry for the audio, my people. I'm sorry for the audio. Tomorrow, live video. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours.
What do we get? Both Pastor Isaiah, make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all done the wait for. Now it's your make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better.
Yeah, 2 plus 2 now 4, brother. Everywhere good. I'm seeing your good job. Thank you very much. God bless you. Everywhere good. Everywhere na pepper soup. I go join you just now. Say everywhere na pepper soup. Everywhere good, bro. Thank you for your good job, you know. Yeah, John King. That is true,
Pastor
man.
go Sagie, he say
For governor.
Omo no Sagie no do don let doji.
4 plus 4 is rest in
The
peace.
man of vision, the man of hope. Let's join hands together and vote him in. Both Pastor Isaiah, make it for better for the people of Edo State.
For better and good for the people of Edo State and fatherland. No dey change.
Now it's your make we grab and one chance.
Don't work together.
My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, no, now is a year for governor. Osage yamu, omo no sage no to let doji. Ere no gbera. Then you
Yes, so share the audio, brothers and sisters. Share the audio, share the audio. We all day chill out. We all day chill out on balcony. So no time for those who don't mean well for Edo people. Only make mass at the parrot, you know. We know what is parrot, we know how they make mass.
Make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all done the wait for. Now it's your make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, no, now is a year for governors. Both Pastor Isaiah, make it for better for the people of Edo State. We all done the wait for. Now it's your make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, no, now is a year.
Yes, so my people.
Go smile, though. Every day say so. Yeah.
It's Joef on the bed.
Yes, so my people, my good people of Edo State. If you don't know Zomo, Edo where it do a defoyer. Owa gogo ne do lema. No mai. Wega le ni maya manivia do ya ke ni mariri aje ke no se ke no rame. Magario e kovuma. Beti manivia do ya ga le nue. Iye yo wo agbe nue. Wedo abere wedo awon iye yo wo 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 iye. So agogo ne do le man o mai ozo no na return do video. Iwe ta agogo na le man e do na mo ogo ge do. We ga mo gbe we de uwe ale man oge o ne do le nu ege ne ge na ru pa le nu e bo ge so ege ne do ya le nu e we do bere we iye yo wo wanana do agbe. Greeting to my people, brothers and sisters all over the world, Edo, citizen, home, and diaspora. This is your boy, John Enezena Ibiuzugbe, aka Voice of Justice, PFN number 2 vocalist, People Freedom Movement, anti-corruption activist, freedom fighter. That is how we do. We introduce ourselves clearly so that the world will understand who is speaking. People Freedom Movement, say no to corruption, leader, say no to human traffic, say no to police brutality, say no to xenophobia, say no to oppression, and say no to abuse of power. Operation Stand for Your Fatherland. That is how we do, and we remain the same. God bless you, everyone. My small Potoki English now I go speak based of say I really to talk to my people. Which brother they see make I show my face just now? You don't see my face now. Go to my profile, you will see my face. I don't see all your righty. Go to my profile, you will see my face, you know. That is how John Enezena Ibiuzugbe is, man. Voice of Justice Entertainment. God bless you, everyone. So, my people, Ituado, Ituesan, Ituesako, Inatugara, Aunchi, Agalembori, Ituwaya, Igbamaya, Ewoya, Nobanya, Miagbadi, Awaye, Ogeregan the second, Amion Bawe, Lotag Boyana Doge, where do bere, or bed doni, or Bori in Mane, and over a year doni titi, a politician doge, Ians with 4+4, Ians with police the next level, the main Uboriri of everything, Ogeregan the second. Baba wa talk bebe kete nu jeni, wake up by daken. Egwawe, edowe, ewera, ewiwe, ewona mi agbadia, una obedo, o amye yawu, kuwe kemo, kira, kije, nogi mudia, nogi lerunwe, agbonga maya. Ugboro rokin, ogede game, odi, no mwegian, Ode di oviekme noga guan iriabe no keki irian over ayan bitata maita emayan obedo ya ni mayayo no mudia ona wetin ka dole edo yi sayo rodagwe Edowe ara biomo, omo vi biomo. Era dole do yi, anado miewe, ivie do ya, kenoro wa, kenorisi, eme do jeyan. Ona mi togba, onami poli kidore uguvun wo ewe bore ya eya tie togba eso tie poli ira dole doyi ọba erediawa emino yewewu ọba me ona visu obo ogeme ọba me obedo obi maya ere maya egewe ga furo sa yo baba owadia dole doyi nima sa yo edori ri ayo obo baba uriye ekete nebotie king uriye nya doni ne edoni ga fure bobo we sa yo enika oria ni ye ọba ya ni ye no mudi anu una do sa ekete ni una do la ekete ni una do ga obedo eya ga mudi ayu eyeke ne doni ode sa yo ọba ga to pere ise magato mare pe vie domeni mose mani rotagmo kedoro wa kedorisi no girisi nebo no winye pa ya viore rudawe eriere mata eriji mata etu agbebo mi oko ugarie uga mieri vado edo agbi yare nu oga okarie unari ari otedo oga manu oga epoturi emi urere bote ipotokinu jeni unari eso tedo oga manu yare agbe no ba me yare aga gbe ni vie do ya kinawe togba kinawe eri agbata rudawe emi politician eri ti fi ma weri rudawe ma enewe e politics ni ma wa do na veri ma do ya fe emi opa bogwe emegian emonse awe me gbe no rogwe nu weta la diabo na yayi o koko okowo o gboro no ro oza wari obo yo yeke iviedo na ri lo enwe ye me politics no sunu hotel do na ma ese de veri yo ri ke na ya fia kwe we na khai iri akai we ne do khai iri do khai emi okparo na ayawe eri onwin na owe ni mama na bege useni foundation gba ya pe na ye gun ona amami odoi mana iwe ipe ni e shortage no kwa no no aga ipe anwin na o ipe ne nwin na ipe ne ra mama gi gwalo ebo tedo vena mana mie minu vena mana mie uganu fa vena mana mie ruwe vi no tanse ebo tedo ego pa iwo de gbegiro na ya wi pe ni osu obo ena wi le ma tamawa ivie do menu zomo egesene na ya tamari oba ni marie tin fie ke gbiyan emegaro imakamu elaladia emegaro imakamu eladia emana we ma mwegbe awo sisi weri fi opia weri fi rudawa agwe gwangeru gboma egesene ni ma ya tama we nu kierebo mana kierebo butu magia we ban benore we ogbewe ana e wa fie werie wetin ye ibaba o ra o muima baba o muima ni ma mo awe egesene ana we na fie wirigbe rudawe owo mo ni gbeda owe to fie gbe wirigbe amana fie gbe wirigbe na wo ni ye gbe ta do ni ye gbe ta ba me ni ye gbe ta oto na do odo mie we aiso bakoko no so ba ko isakin ya asa erimata ese na video we eme politiki na no riri la di anwo no mu dia ona gun dole doyi eruyen ọmọ yẹn bá sán ọmọ yẹn bá van ọ̀pá náà yẹn mẹ́mi ọ̀pá nìyẹn tayọ náwó ọba mi wà tọ́pẹ́ èrè ẹ̀mẹ̀ jẹ́ ọjọ́ kékeré náà jẹ́ so ìbí ẹ̀dọ̀mẹ̀nú zọmọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ni kátà ẹ̀bẹ̀ bò síra rúdáwẹ̀ máa mú ẹ̀ ùsùn rúdáwẹ̀ ùsùn màhín owó sun ni àná bímọ ọbaṣẹkí pa àná vèkè náà ṣó kú náà ṣó nyàgà náà ṣó léegi yìí màná ìwẹ ọpẹ ní màkẹta yìí àwòpọ náà màtá yìí yàrá fídíò ní màá ewu wẹrẹ náà pẹ yìí gbéva pọpá náà gbéra ìmàtá ẹ sọtọ ìmàtá ẹ sọkún wẹ ọmọ náà náà gbéra náà gbéyé náà. Ọ̀gá ìlérò tó náà ní ọ̀pàárí PDP ìyẹ́dọ̀nù zọmọ̀ wàrà rẹ̀ ẹ̀rẹ́ náà ní ọmọ súnú à máa ẹ̀ nẹ̀ bẹ́rẹ̀ yọ máa ẹ̀ nẹ̀ bẹ́rẹ̀ yọ. PDP ní náà wẹ̀ náà tọ́pá bọ̀ náà tọ́pá nù kẹ́yì ìyẹ́dọ̀nù zọmọ̀ máa ó yàní máa ẹ̀ wò bíyànwó ẹ̀ dò máa ó sẹ̀ni máa sẹ̀ wò bíyànwó ẹ̀ dò. Èmọ́ gbaṣáwó ẹ̀wé bọ́nà èyí tí ríro wá PDP ọ̀ṣìn ọ̀bùnṣẹ́ anamiẹ̀wẹ̀ ẹ̀rẹ́ lọ́kì ẹ̀rẹ́ yegu èyà ọ̀fọ̀ mẹ́nàgù wá gbọ́n náà ìlọ́kì ọkùnrin máa là gbó ẹ̀rẹ́ náà pé rúdàwẹ̀ gọ́mẹ̀tọ̀ rẹ̀ àríọ́bá rẹ̀ máa mọ̀ àwọn iná nẹ́nẹ́ ẹ̀nà ìwọ́ mọ́ àyẹ̀tí wa kò bọ́ọ̀rẹ̀ náà rè ìwìn náà ọmọ rere. Èmi náà pa máríire mi ọ̀pá náà wàá rọ ọgbẹ́ àgọ́ àfiọ́sísí ẹgbẹ́ kan náà mọ̀ ẹ̀ òríyàn àná ìwọ mọ́ ní màá rí mọ̀díà ní màá rí mọ̀díà náà mẹ́kẹ́ náà yà á kú mọ̀díà rẹ̀ rẹ̀ rú dáwẹ́ ẹ̀dọ́wẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ àmà mọ́ àwọn ilẹ̀ àrí ẹgbẹ́ náà bí yé ana ẹ̀wẹ́ ẹ̀wẹ́ bọ̀ wẹ́ sunu mana ẹ̀wẹ́ gèlè pa ana ẹ̀wẹ́ dọ̀ miẹ̀wẹ́ mana ẹ̀tí ẹ̀wẹ́ dọ̀ àmìẹ̀ yé ana ẹ̀wẹ́ dọ̀ à ẹ̀wẹ́ rí yé yọ̀ bọ̀ ọ̀ọ́gẹ́ pín má pa ẹ̀wẹ́ sí ni ẹ̀wẹ́ rí yé ni ẹ̀ nọ ẹ̀wẹ́ so ẹ̀gbẹ́ ni màkà yé bí màró wa ẹ̀gẹ́ dọ̀ sẹ́sẹ̀ dẹ̀ ẹ̀wẹ́ rí hàn ana ẹ̀dọ̀ miẹ̀wẹ́ ẹ̀wẹ́ bọ̀ ẹ̀wẹ́ dọ̀ àmìẹ̀ nọ̀ jẹ́ ẹ̀ wẹ́ẹ́ tí wá wẹ́ òró ẹ̀wẹ́ bọ̀ náà nu bísú gbẹ̀ òtẹ́ra nu bísú gbẹ̀ òtẹ́jú ẹ̀ ana ewe ihe na ọwara arịọba na emere ọnị maka atami ya wo modia akpanwo saro bo no godua ana do amimi na tie social media ihe mana ga ovi ya ga ovi ya mana ga obokin ya ga obokin ya mana ga maybe yi ya no dede ati we ni ya be ga YouTube bo be do bege owa go mi ye gun o be do ga aza na mi we ebi ya na do afi werie na do aden awe abi ya mwere yo oga bi ze toa na ri gogun pe va pe a o te si pe na ra fi werie omo na ibe fi werie ma be mi ni ma tie ni ma ya jo ewu ne bo tie kari are ari gbe ari vio e lo vie ari to asenya o vie ri atigire ya se gbegbo iyangi ya chigire ma heni ya sene video ana ewe iviedo ona ma awona ma de no ma wo vie nyin wagume tagwata ma we awona ma de no gi ma wo vie nyin emi opano awedo ga wo ke enye soro na yobomu enye soro o teseke noje osane ana ewe na yobomu ni oge ya nyiwo kwa rudagwe atiwe do ma ilelo wa owe do gwe o Nudawe eri mago sabwa no nyakete wa gbono jose o time mama severi we emi ame magitia e domestic ne anywhere no re aje mama daka ya ni ma ya tama we gunwe ayo bo gunwe oje na we atibi mwe ne fion ma ebo abi muyegbe aya muyowa boya meto na ibe do ruda mo ruda we we tan fi me do idigwe agbe o mo osage no vize yamu welage ma ibe do no go me eso ladian iya weri owu eri ogbe eri omu eri omako eri okai uwe ke anata na wage ma ya fefe no ta na ibe do me nu zomo osiyan otiyan oviyan paro uwebu na ni na watunu emini ata na o no waru ogan bo Italy rudawe awo mu igo osungigo igo rere ni potoki mi ebo boy awo pologbe na ri kana ni ya omo na oruwe gan wa tie osaze osemigie ero ovi yokoriomo no pebo no yokoriomo ne wi yoba kini makere no mona yaruwe gan arioba no ro na no na okalotu no wiyan no ka sebe do Godwin no bi ago no bi obaseki ọmọ eladian de tamedo emi no ze no money na regan ana miewe ipokpa wi oka igba wi pe vana o yiri pokpa wo kiyan me ni eto oge ni efian yin bo o yiri pokpa na ya mu pokpa wo kiyan me ọmọ eladian no tamedo emi no money regan ba ibi adonu so mo vi maka we edo festival culture wo gwa even ọba akeza socha okpeani ọwaga reva wawa kakabo yero usaze osemige ero wakakabo yere o nagi ya miewe na godo wọn pase kike leko le Ibadan le Abuja ya lanu chana ama mi ọmọ ni aje orugbole gan wo Italy Obaseki maladien do no do tame edo eminonzie no money na regan oraladien Obaseki owedo weni otuye weni yemwigore otuye weni yegago otuye ri awona ve na gwana ibia domenu somo Obaseki kekpa okeligo tunoje no muere arieke no ye na PDP o mamie ovi edokpa ọmamie okpe akpa ọmọbọkpa ọmọgwẹ kpari ladian ọwọ sinye sa weni yẹn mu gẹdore ivi edonuzọmọ ma yato boima especially manọrẹ ẹkpẹtì ọta kason kavan ma hẹmi ni ma ya gbógi ọma ma hẹmi ni ma wo ni ma ya mọ ọmọ amawo ni ma jẹ ẹwu n'ọrẹ rúdawẹ ukpọ ọwụkpi yẹn sòtọ wàwà owó ọmọ amúọmọ na ya mú ẹbọnà tó gbọ wọn ari mú ẹ wù ugi asien ari mú ẹ ari mú yọ ẹ rúdawẹ ẹdọwẹ ta lẹrùn nínú àjẹmọ yìí nẹgẹ bà wọn ọrẹ egọdún nìyí pé ha pé nẹ yàsó náà nìyà ọkà ìgbàgbé pé nẹ gbalakawẹ òtún nìyẹn yẹwé nìyẹn mú rẹ dóre òtún nìyẹn yẹwé nìyẹn mú rẹ dóre ẹ tẹlifíṣàn náà ẹ ẹwòyà náà ẹ ama emi aru ọkpa nọrị ladian nọrị puenti we ọnaghị ni obo da ewe ọmọna ọwe nìyẹn mwere dore ẹrọ ọnawa mue ewu na ugiasien ewu na ọrẹ otu na ọmụ ẹyọ ọna mojian ọna webo ọna lai otu na ọje otu na ọgbọ nisan iya ni wo ni san ewe boni majena na miya ruda ewe boni majena na ona kan ona yo we ya le ke no la ke wi pa ya ara wo wana ve na guana ni ya anybody no ri we ye ma de ba Godwin either admitted so hospital or eso adopia ginu wa or eso iamue ewu giasen iamu ye gbe iya pari e Ghana e social media power ni ya sick ni ya mu e yahoo ni ya mu ya mu bo ya mu ma na ku ni ya fie beleku e boni wero ni ya wu severi o ni ya gwo magun a ni ya gwo ebogun a ni ya gwo ma na ku ni ya me igogun a ni ya fie igo e boni e ya gwo ivie dogun a the whole world ekeni eriri tota yi vi agwan ve pechota yan ye boni yara runu yan yara rao we ga adam ve yeme ni ata we ga jaji we ga adam ve yeme ni ata we ga ta we e mata no ruda we e boni ya mu e boni ya fie bego e boni ya mu e ma edaki na gbon ma e ma neku na gbon ma e boni ya fi ego usu boni eyan be ya gwe magun ave social media ado miewe ivie do no bun iyan do alelele ekeno deje awe Godwin owe mi ivie do wa no we no ri emi opa no uladian o akwe owu summer power plant i akwe owe Ogbemudia stadium ivie do i mata mana wo Ogbemudia stadium ni ekeno je wo egwa ebe wo gbe ni osiko edogbe area ni okeke ni mi o be aro rudawe ana we na gele be stadium e stadium ni keregbe no river na mu ari eke no re rudawe ge no Ogbemudia na boy e stadium ni vege ni ke ana gbe bọ́ọ̀lù edo ma ebe ka bo ran o severi o be no rije na emi opa ni o ni tamu wa ibi do nu zomo emi opa o ni tamu wa agbon fi were ene wa o we na gbonje ka je be egana ya biele ma vi ma wan de eri orije ovia mimi e ti gbera wa no meke na me odaka etin ora kase ona eri webo me ona eri ro webo me ni ya ma akase ebo eri se emi opa ni ya ri una yen ti gberi yan wa o yan gbowo kiyan wa o yan gbowi yan wa oyan gbọ́ sí yàn níyàwó ẹ̀mọ́ ẹsẹ̀ ìyàn rà gbẹ́ ìyàn rà mẹ́tínì ọ̀rí ẹ̀ èmi níyàn rí yàkànyàn bí social media na láàwòwò ìbí ẹ̀dùnú zọmọ̀ nukawa rẹ̀ àwẹ̀ náà kàkàlẹ̀ mà ní rọ́ọ̀ ẹ̀wẹ̀ bò wàwá ẹ̀dùn nóbi dàọ́sà nọ́dọ̀ vẹ́n ìyẹn gúdà náà bò rẹ̀ dó nodo nwa asan ba nodo nwoto nodo voto wo edo wa hàn omoni venori o wa se ope anori oku one opo no gwe o wa I'm coming emi no ya edeba Godwin awe ne Godwin ya gbe tabaka wa no ya gbe kapopo wa no viyan ye gan rudawe ime ko ni asi yo egbe kapopo we no nwa mewe gwa toni omo ari egwa ibi adonu zomo okoni ni makana wa ewe agbon mama e wa son o mama e wa van owo ane we bo usuma no we bo na ya vie ibi adogo be social media omo ni hin no wi yen dun no vi daosa wọ́n gbọ́ bá zu wàre ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ Germany agbọ̀n mama àwàsán ọ̀mama ẹ̀wà van ọ̀hówó àwàsán ọ̀hówó àwà van ọ̀hówó àṣẹ̀bẹ̀rì ọ̀nà ìdòmí ẹ̀wẹ̀ nọ́fíẹ̀ báyé náà bẹ́ẹ̀ni òtúnọ̀wé débà nọ́fíẹ̀ nìyàn ẹ̀yìn àgbẹ̀ anamiẹ̀wẹ̀ nọ́fíẹ̀ báyé náà nọ́rí okó náà ọ̀hó nọ́rí yòbọ̀ ẹ̀yà sọ́tọ̀ ẹ̀dọ́wọ́ àgbẹ̀ náà pé nà wọ́n àgbẹ̀ nọ́rí báyé nà wọ́n ìyá rí okó nu ìyá marie òwúnu àmì ìyá marie báyìí ìyá ká mi ọwọ́ hún ni ọ̀ni ọdún ọwọ́ kan náà bí dáwọ́sà ọwọ́ náà yà bọ́ọ̀lù fọwọ́ Ivie dome nous sommes. Voyez mais ouais, audio na wakutana. Especially vie PFM ime no bon kotagbon koto wa eke ni marijerie ni mariye egberie ni osene we eke ni magbinayi kine kporade egesene ni mayami alagoda ore na lawowo osagie no vize iyamu omono korion re igododo yo korion osage no vize iyamu ọmọnà mudia gbe emiame vue eya wo edo ọmache igarioba ọmache igomobo ọmache igomogwe ọmakpa de social media no do are iviedo ego ona mue kiyen kamo ke mono bie ko tu no we mo eno le lekia ena mue medo ena mue owo ona we we na mudia na karioba adomiewe owo no sunu we Lagos no sunu we Kanu we ya odoga sunu we do ona viemo ona viola diana vio kwevo ona viokun ona viemi na yakpobo ona vigo ona viebae ona vionemo vie do nous omo a severio no morima o imal neverun inwani maveso no oba osame Jesu nogie we osame mogo me o Mary na me Jesu mogo me o Mary na me osame mogo me o Mary na me Jesu mogo me o Mary na me osage na moga doya ona mu o ona ladia ana do miewe vena guana ivie do nous omo adobo miegwe arioba iya mwewu ni e credit ni iya mujo uwu mama hon bo edo eri ma wu eri ma wu eri tien ruda we edo we kina me lala ana zo we usage na zege ladia verita de siri edo we na ya sieme tani hi nala wowo ivie domenu zomo negbegba na no yedo rudawe omo no magbera no magbiye no wunira no wuniye mahin no magbotu no je mahin de demede ma be akin kianri magbe no wuni ma no ri fiani mane no ri wi masene no ri giodagmo mama ne ruda we osameta severio we yede dogio dagmo mawe omo yen gede oya gie ovie pomo pa no biere ona gie pastor no buru ona gie prophet no buru ona be giose no be ati mudia iweke oni oseni yeke no kayeke no ma vie domeni jomo wo ya mete nana ruda we emina ya obere emina mie eyebe na tamo ma osage no visa yamu ọmọ ní ma wá hàn ọmọ náà ẹdó ya nira níyé ẹyẹ náà ọmọ náà kí igbódòdó rẹ náà láàwòwò náà mú egbe ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ sí èso àṣọ yàwó gọdún ipa o èrè ẹdó ya pa ọsẹ ìmẹsọ náà yẹ làtìyàn abẹ chairman ìyàwó my brother. My egwe akpatu kemu my brother in my yawa de a word in my word 10 in a circle, word 5 in a circle, word 2 in a circle. Where the carcass for Sidan Gidigbasime nothing they happen. Even in Pobaka, where I came from. Everywhere gallant. Una no pastor. God do enough he come up for APC, make it carry a youth or crowd that pastor carry come up for PDP to APC. Never ni never. Boy, have social media, Facebook. Have youth. Why am I going to worry last kien on that day? The sentemp or that day. Go and kill Pastor Osage. Is a yamu. Go and kill yourself. You fit collect money for the rainy Arioba or based on say na Etelopo they dance here and here. You understand? But get am clear, say that certificate matter, e go still come up in the top of, say, ANEC officials. Almost oye ladian, God doing. A certificate where ma fi o ladian mind the word where e so mu le mo riba or whatever. You understand? Well, you know, you do what I told my brother. He said, my brother, I'm here. Man, everybody is okay. We bless God. So what? Yeah. Money, I mean, we're on live, bro. So I just want to make a pick your call as a brother. One love, man. Yeah. I'll finish here. I will reach you later. Okay. So my people, I'm sorry for the call. Just like a friend of mine called me, you know. So that is how we do. My wife and me here were pastor is a bull that already scatter PDP and bury it in Edo. We know that. We know the akataka of PDP. We know the bull of PDP. Now, let's wait. And you can see what Ogbede Iyama is going to do to that run away soldier. So, as my leader talks, say, now because say they inside our body, so we not go expose. But we PFL, we not list you, but we expose them because we tell us, man, is one-time governor. But now, we have to start the no gentleman no deal. Now PDP and AP now, APC in my fatherland. PDP is already buried. We know that. One will see whether now those Mokba stomach infrastructure, whether now then one can feel them back. Let's wait. We are there to be rich. We are there to be answered. I say, bros, what is this cost? So a lot of people will be calling me, brother, blah, blah, blah. Do like this, do like that, do like that. Carry your leg, K-leg, bend and wear, shape down. I say, brother, we the people freedom movements worldwide. When we endorse, we endorse. We already endorsed Pastor Usage Ize-Iyamu, the next governor, come September. Get ready to blow your whistle. So I be Kavasi don't day, you understand? But all of us, my family and my friends, because politics have no friends, he had no enemy. Your interest is matter. That is what Viber. That is why you see my interest. Support Pastor Usage Ize-Iyamu so that Edo will be changing automatic digital. We don't take away with the year crafting or technoka. We don't want to hear technoka again. We want to hear automatic digital. You know, automatic digital, talk and do. The man that can carry everybody. I be Agbero, I not go neglect you. I be graduate, I not go neglect you. I be doctor, I not go neglect you. I be teacher, I not go neglect you. Whatever you demand, everything will be fastest. As you demand that, even though you not carry and go tell governor, just come to the social media. Governor, my primary school, have you got primary school? You have to be rebuilt. As I'm talking to you right now, right away, you come to the social media. When my governor listens to the voice of the voiceless, everything will be built according to the matter. Where I am camera do mula, even I am primary school, Maria do muya area boy or renovation. You build the standard. Osomole was building. It's not renovating. It was building standard. Renovating will be there based on say the one where they fair build, but it will build another standard. That is how Pastor Usage Ize-Iyamu is going to turn all Edo East, man. We don't believe a person that say, I'm a graduate, I'm a blah, blah, blah. Your English and your work, you get K-leg. all the K-leg swap up. So we need a man that complete all in school, even though you're criticizing. But a pastor had to sanitize the Osadebe Avenue. Get it clear. That is the real authority of all. Brothers and sisters. Normal way, changes we need. We don't want to be hearing cracking or technical without it, or wait and see. Without you wait and see fraud. You wait and see Bonnie Market. You wait and see Wellus Peppers burn. You wait and see Olia Market burn down. You wait and see Sapler Road burn down. You wait and see everything that we know. That's have to move Edo forward for in development and infrastructure. All burn down in the name of say Godwin want to come the second time. We don't want that. You violate yata where I must take on like this, either do or die. You have to go die for Ogbonis and PDP where you be. Remember your Ogbonis and PDP, because PDP now look on Orazen. You understand? But I want to let you know, say, man, the people that create PDP, they already act and repent. Say we don't want to be a destroyer. PDP is a destroyer. They can't without time money. When Karani exists here, when I get me gbedo, what be you are. We are coming. Now this is Tokyo. Make I talk my own. Time is already reached to say, this man, look at all your exposing. Because while you are not a member of APC again, you already cross carpet. As you cross carpet, hang up that side. But any catapult you receive from APC, hold on strong. Take am say, na in the name of say, my mouth fit beat you. In the name of say, na politics we dey. In the name of say, you want to the phone jaga. And they hear your idiots, betrayal, frustration, human being doing that house and say, make you go arrest Kabaka. Make you go arrest Kapwepwe. Because all those ones na be your headache. That is why you go there and destroy innocent home. In the name of say, you take unnecessary advice from those motherfucking betrayal and those motherfucking let me say frustration for social media 50 naira collectors. You understand? So thank God today, and everything goes smoothly. So brothers and sisters, remain calm. Believe that the broom is going to sweep all the umbrella that rain and break. The breeze of the rain that break is going to sweep him up and pour in dustbin come September. Get ready, warm up, support Pastor Sage Izeyamu. Omono Sage Gedono. It will change Edo situation. In the name of say, many of them, I believe, say that fake man, that is Antichrist. You know what happened to Antichrist? A lot of crowd, Christian, even many Christians, they worship Antichrist today because they think that is Christ. We know that. Godwin is Antichrist to Edoland. You only go there and put hand there, go here and put hand, go here and put hand. The one that will build, instead of him to build them, he will renovate it. We don't need that. I will come up and be speaking your fucking big English. When you know, say, man, your English and your white get killed. Godwin, catapults.com, guy. Watago, Osubaduro, it don't come. One will tell you, say, guy, you dey our body since now make us quiet, small. Bet this one I talk your own, make I talk my own. No nweri wo say ogbehe wo gieze. You know Ikuenia. You know so say again na big fish. Not be fish where they bath for the sub of the river. It dey bath for the main center. You know the in and out of PDP. You know the in and out of APC. Is the one that when it was in APC, PDP, it built APC. AC and the rest two parties joined together. They built it. You want to come and tell him that you are the Kakpawanga of the two. Bros, you are the Kolobianye. The bull is already the way. That is why you see POI. The bull is already on the way there. Clear road, man. Let's see. Man, Understand? I don't want what God will have done for Edo people. For him to be instruct the traditional rulers, all of them, they are all tips. After that, he begin carry us as they come and say, man, come and change the matter. He never reached 1 month, there was as day prison. See, tomorrow was as still day prison. In the name of say, he called Edo, they are all tips. This idiot still come and say, man, who not vote for him? Blah, blah, blah. You know, say the cause don't go for you now, God, doing the house. All the APC you have caused now, then the court don't return to you because your frustration governor is already in PDP. Mabe wo never mason again. I mean na yawe o aro avie because ayawe vie a mason kin ayawe vie. That they usually they sleep about this way they fall this early midnight, so make I calm aware. Even though if you don't want blow before you go blow, based on say we are many are running on here. Where do I be any on here? Even madam do bow or do buy say based on say man working doing. A mason working. Are you where ya blow? I work be kwa wo gaso. Other wa me ya we with entertainment. Boyfriend and girlfriend Yahweh with entertainment. Bahian Yahweh with entertainment. Pays us say, a son where he, as you dey fall, all men they sleep. We crash. But let's the story starts. We go see who get Edo. If now Obaseki get Edo, if now Isaiah Jamu get Edo in the name of politics, so not be the name of say man who hold the Edo. Now my king, Ogidigan the second. I make boy Bavanyonya do. But in the name of Arioba, in the name of say politics, we see who gets Edo when time comes. So, brothers and sisters, let me quick announce and correct the account I dropped over there. You know, that account is City Adegbe account. So, brothers and sisters, we need support to buy a vehicle for Pastor Sage Zeyamu election campaign. So you can see that account over there. If you want to help, if you love Pastor, and if you love Mega Comrade of Sir Clement Ranomigo Edegbe, the open leader of my society, my movement, my freedom, the freedom fighter, the open leader of the movement, PFF president. Ramiro Edegbe, so is the one that hold our account. If you want to support PFM, we are just like a movement train that can never stop. No one can stop us. You understand? When we endorse, that is why we tell you say when we endorse. As we endorse Pastor Sage Zeyamu, we have all support, financial support, prayer support, everything support, Bogboe support, Galagala support, Ogbanje support, HIV support, anyone we want come out, we get HIV, we go they give them one by one. So we support them with everything and with our fatherland supporter and Orion Wonosaibo support. We support her and those Isako and our children and all these our brothers, Ishans and our sisters, we support. So get and clear statement. That account there is for City name City Adegbe accounts, GTB Bank. If you want to support Pastor Usage Zeyamu through PFM, for we to buy a bus to support campaign of Pastor Usage Zeyamu, not maybe donative for Pastor Usage Zeyamu, no, to support PFM so that we can buy bots like computer IaaS so that it will be faster. If you want to go Oriomo, Kwankwam, you don't reach there. If you want to go Auchi, Kwankwam, you don't reach there. If you want to go Romi, Kwankwam, you don't reach there. If you want to go all those tiger of the road, you know, say now the bull now they on board. So, Pastor, so we need supporter. We don't want to waste time. So go there, crack the accounts. You can see my WhatsApp number. You can see my direct number. If you help through me as a fans, based on the words of my mouth, You can call me and say, brother, I just because of you help pastor, or I just because of you help the movement of say, let's support pastor and buy a bus to campaign for pastor. So you can call me. Or I just because of Mega Comrade, because it's the leader, what he have been doing, you like it, you can call me so that I will still let you know, say, that they look at one person that supports you in the name of, say, I love Mega. So the main issue of it, we're going to buy a bus for our brother, our father, our leader, Pastor Usage Izeyamu through PFM. So support and donate wherever you are, $1 na money, €2 na money, €3 na money, in the name of say where say wari onwe yẹn rúlẹ̀ ló dá o. Akan wari onwe yẹn rúlẹ̀ ló dá o. Eya ló dá o. Whatever you do for pastor or whatever you do through PFM to pastor, everything will be wait for you on the way. Because why? We are there to come and thank you. We are there to come and announce you as a man or as a woman that really love Edo for heart. And we will bring it to the world. We will advertise wherever you are doing, and we will call it free to advertise it for you. And that is how we do. Because Almighty, in our time, Musajo. So if you do me no zomo, na la wo. If you PFM ya can warere aje, no we PFM, the open PFM and the secret PFM all over the world. Accounting in the unwe kpeche otana eni noro na ga sitia edegbe na la wo iyobo magwalo esinokwa esinakafo esinwawu egero edero ni maya kmomo ni maya ri kmomo enwe wese wuwa se feno gbera ne emino bonati awo no zebaga resenu ni ma abidu mwela dan media o do we ni de na mwela dan abi mwela dan do ma we ni de ativele ekoko we di kmomo enwe and the pastor of the bege so na la wo ma wa mo yo to na we ma wo ni ma de imoto na aya avievo na aya mi je ni rabi we a village ni ya fe abi gueni so ni bon yan so ene wa be mo e morion oteme no gan la o azani no reba ave mie eri okama eri okere no ri de iwo bowo no ve tin we ni ya wi yo bona hin oteme we ti veri azani city adegbe account wa bere iwa ave gbene emi ya fefe information ya reba wa to wa ipe o in the name of saying a pastor no we Usage pastor Usage no vize yamu no make na dukpo mayaje edo we ne do amanu ga ama maje o maame ni magbe maame ni mariefua no iwe na do ma mariefua o roda we maka ti do a mue igbon no gbedo ba we do ana miewe esoka we bege no gbera ana do miewe oba ovorame ogima evun ekena mu yi ni ma ni bon ma ni wie do mama won roda we a betrayer or savior na la wo ovie do na a pastor ario boy yeki and support PFM so that we can get full ayas boss for Pastor Usage Izeyamu. God bless you everyone. So brothers and sisters, I know say the matter is just the start. So because why all those one with the place is there in the name of say hey the decoto Osomule Datu Obaseki that but it's already end. Obaseki is not a PDP. So we PDP, we APC, we know what we call sanitize of catapults. We are coming for Obaseki to come and expose all his plan, and we are coming to him. That is why you see many leaders inside the PDP, they say you will swear a oath, Ayelala, or our Von Godwin. because umwe otunuje nu kede na nu kewaru le de na iya bere ewe imani bunwo yamane mi no pani awe uwa mwe ewu giasen uba ugiasen umubaya idine mo so we owe ni amure dore ni amure dore iya bere ru da we PDP yahin iya mo so tamawe udie mania ute onu do munyime nu nyi wo dore ajela la do vio boyo nu voin unyime nu nyi wo do wa onu nye na jela la gbo oni emi ne somule atewu otemuere bet it doesn't mean do we akpe gba won avec pe gba ene oze PDP na we unyime nu we wanyi wo do ni na ute nye ma ateri we ba osun mo koko wa ven ajela la wa eni ya kian wo boni ya even no bun yan ma ya accept even a leader no bun ni wanya PDP we do yan gwon me gbe pa we bu ni anari card ni yan we o give na so ibe do nu zomo na la wo ize ijamu mono sa gege do for now con this 2020 September wa mo gbe nu yari obe ye peti ne mi ma wo ni ma we dan me ogi awo ni ma we dan ogi ma wo ni ma wa we dan ogi ana we na mu paga mu were nge ge jamu goduni omo na do bia you we politician o ma me kinu dere no omo no wa we ora gba bo ya gbe ve ana me we abege ene we if na itie enwina if na itie emi ari oba owo be no jose if na itie osikito eyamu diane we ado bege we ize ijamu oka we ni yafe ive so yi wan no ni pe ne ola dian we akwe ya mu yakwe roda we emi amai mi se ke roda doze mana yi pe ni ya pe ni just why is the only record missy oruwobo. So God bless you everyone, brothers and sisters. Pastor Sage Ize-Iyamu is the man that will change Edo, or those youths that be shouting for nothing, empty stomach. Ize-Iyamu is the one that will bring them together and give them a job and let them know, say, man, this is how much salary. So where pensioner, a student, a school, a real so. But it's why Elijah we college education where God will might pay 3 months or might pay 4 months. We have see a lot of trick. If you have ever also man care na ya fia kweta where emi ya fefe na ya mwebo in the name of say yahoo eyan mo aduwe politics. Thank God where eyan mo ekpa na we PC a PDP oyigina na give the PDP awuyan ma any ya where a PDP yan wa be corrupt but a corrupt ni ya corrupt ni yan gbiyan because do we no ze ziba egbera wo so yan mo egbe ni yan be ya fi wiri o ze ni won ran mi we yan na we Godwin we te wa de do Vincent do vien wa wonu moto na nu mu ebe nu be mu APC we nu te wonu we yan. God bless you, everyone. Let's still play a little music for our supporter, for our upcoming governor, Pastor Sage Ize-Iyamu. So, my beggar anywhere, over my ije, come on, my people, come on. We are no hurry. A Godwin, we no to the table, so many not so like APC, or we sweat banner. So, again, come on, my people, and support that account I drop over there, City Edegbe. We want to buy a vehicle support to our pastor and oncoming governor to Edo State. God bless you, everyone.
Joel on the bed.
Davido, Obaga Tokbere, Tokba, Oga Gbano Baseki, Omana Gbanedo.
Gbano ni ha. Obaseki Ogbana.
Both Pastor Ize-Iyamu.
Ama Gbanedo we ri o do ma fi obo ba e. Ale ko na Gbane. Danu chanu ma e. If na anu ocha, we go know. I'll tell many, I'll tell you many.
Make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, no, now is a year move for governor. Oga gigba number seki, omana gigba neto. Wetin we get, eto nuso.
Ibi adome nuzomo, emi okpa wo ni tamu wa, ma ene we e Godwini. Eme yobokpa edowe ifi no gbe okpe no ya pakun e Godwini no ido ya lugedo odo lepa we politics eyen rije na la wowo na wa ko wa le ma bere ene we o e mama ya no mama no you wen no ho e with gbe ari anu cha. God bless you everyone. So we not there for all those in reni Godfather awoni mwigore umami ari ladia ayi se gbe certificate weta aba wo gi asin viomadonia uma viomado ayi wawe
It's Joel on the beat.
Evido Obaga Topere Ise Togba Oga Gigba no Baseki Omana Gigba Neto Wetin we get? Both Pastor Ise Iyamu make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision we all done the wait for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better.
yes so
This 2020, no, now is a year move for governor. Oga Gigba number seki, Omana Gigba neto. Wetin we get? Edo nusomo, Edo newa ire. Yakwe kwa kugbe, aya dole doji. Pastor go sage ise yamu, omo no sage no do dole doji. The man of vision, the man of hope. Let's join hands together and vote him in. Vote Pastor Ise Iyamu, make it for better for the people of Edo State.
yes so my people let's support Pastor. If you do Miami ya avegia e betrayal in akpo veranviri Miami ya so e Godwin e betrayal no huano ama wotu no lele hia Miami ya so na la wowo e do we ri na ya fiame bata no vale manave we nwa ga ya ma we no ima nwa re Godwin no e ko pa okpa na nia e bedo ade APC all the way Osage all the way we know wetin APC change Edo to in the name of say PDP bury Edo in the name of say they loot all Edo treasury all the Edo taxpayer for 16 years we no experience what we call goodness and mercy from their hand. We only experience what we call pain, die, killing, courtesan, many things that it caused calamity to that Edo. Now all come from in the name of say PDP rulers for 16 years. So let's follow Pastor Sage Ise Iyamu so that for good people of Edo State to understand that APC will continue to deliver without no shaking and support that account City Adegbe for we to buy a sound tear-rubber vehicle for Pastor Sage Ise Iyamu campaign. And God bless you, everyone. Thank you very much.
Evido Obaga Topere Ise Togba Oga Gigba no Baseki Omana Gigba neto Wetin we get?
Bro, Charles Obaseki don't go, it don't go. Bright Obaze the Krati. That is my big bros. Bright Obaze. The man of the game. Obaseki is already gone, bro. He's already gone. Make it go inspire yourself for APC, PDP.
Make una see better. This 2020, no, now is a year move for governor. Organic bano baseki,
So only waiting I see for them and people. Obaseki is a man that failed Edo people. We know that one. You understand? We know that one. Obaseki failed Edo people in the name of people that bring into power.
The man of vision.
Now,
the man of
he give them, he make sure say he give them a sleepless night in the name of say he begin accuse them. Accuse them. Bring money. But you say that you bring money, you don't see and bring commands. You don't see and... So don't tell when you begin carry all those fraudsters, they waka.
Make una see better. This 2020, no, now is a year move for governor. Osage yamu, ọmọ ló sage no, no to tole toji. Ere no gbera, then use mago, then use guru, and I'm when you pore. It's a new dawn, egere se o. Let's be wise and vote yamu. Ọmọ ló sage no, no to tole toji. From Roma Lazio, every day we say so. Both Pastor Isaiah, make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all done the way for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, no, now is a year move for governors. Both Pastor Isaiah, make it for better for the people of Edo State. The man of vision, we all done the way for. Now it's your year, make we grab and one chance. My good people of Edo State, make una no worry, make una see better. This 2020, no, now is a year move for governor. Go smile though, every day say so. Yeah.
It's Joef on the bed.
So my people, may God bless you everyone. Tomorrow, the raid day, weekend, Saturday, we are going to sit down face to face, look at me like Anyanya, see me, I see you. You comment, so I don't mind your comments. I know there is people like Abat here, who they beat papa, who they beat mama, and we know them. So when they continue comment, we look their comment like irrelevance. You understand? So if somebody that use fake accounts will be talking to you and you will be listening to that idiot. No. So you have to focus on what you are doing. That is how we know. And we know them say, Owa Maya, stomach frustration Yangualo. We know them. Anyone that write any message, whatever from home, whatever, we know them. Many of them, they are in frustration in Italy there. Having no go back, having shorty. So we know them. We don't care for them. But all what we know, till our freedom come true. And come September, our freedom will come true. True Pastor Sage Zeyamu, Monkey Face, matter will be dropped finally. True Pastor Sage Zeyamu, a lot of madness on social media will be dropped finally. True Pastor Sage Zeyamu, we have a lot of work, employment, for structure company. When we not say a year, 200 to 300 to 400 people will work a day. You carry crowd come up for that center of Benin, remain the market women, the businessmen. That is how Europe is. All we do that is a pastor. Not be all those you know deka you are woman. Many you they clap. Tomorrow they will come and they will say another word. We know who be who for that Benin. We know who will fit carry a door forward for that Benin. So brothers and sisters, support Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu campaign and support PFM for supporting Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu through buy a vehicle that will be leading people from Oriomo to wherever to be running the express, the Tiger Way. No time for those that say, hey, they're not finished this side. As it be for that show, right? They'll say, they're not seeing an agent to now Ronikbe with day now, now Abraka with day now, na agent no, before you hear that and say, my driver go reach. Or your agent, motor get problem, or you enter this motor. They go fly around. Please, who is calling me? Don't call me on my Facebook. I'm saying something. Call me on my Facebook. Somebody's broadcasting. You are calling. Can't you see I'm broadcasting? So if you want to call me, you can understand that after this man out of line, you can call me. Okay, don't call me now. Okay, please. Or if you want to call me, call my WhatsApp number. You know my WhatsApp number. Okay. Or you see my direct number that you can call me. I will answer you. But you are distracting me out of what I'm be saying through this my Facebook account, Johnny Bizube. Okay, please, God bless you as you listen to the voice. So my people, we know that say many things go happen before Edo, the peace of the land have come in. So the sacrifice is already made. The sacrifice for the good thing to come is already made. Edo where Igama Kokovigbe Agi boy for Godwin is not good to APC. APC have drove him away. And he drove himself, not APC drove him away. He drove himself. So he say he want to be he don't want to be I don't know how we say it. Let's forget about that, So but at the time, so the main issue of it, support Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu. Is the man that we're capable to change Edo, the leakage or the situation we are facing as Edo light, as Edo people, is the man that we're capable. I've never tested office. If you say he test SFG or whatever, bros, is appointee. So let the man go to fresh. Godwin tests 8 years for his Osomole regime, the chairman of the ECOWAS team, the strategy. He chop on 8 years. When he did power, he not fit do anything. He chop 8 years, he not fit do anything. He don't chop 4 years, he not fit do anything. Which one? I want to talk say, hey, talk about it. Bros, the main issue of everything, say man, we know say pastor is the bull. As they rob him, the robby, he have carried the property, come back, say, take your property back. I robbed you before, but the property belong to you. Because since when I rob you, I not rest. My heart, they worry me. My heart, they worry me. So that is why the power go to who the power belong to. God bless you, everyone. So I'm going to leave you people for now. But at the time, so you can see the City Adegbe account over there. Support so that we can buy a vehicle for Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu campaign. Not be say we want buy am for him. We want buy am for the campaign because why? Soldier day when be say they are warming up to make sure say they've put Osage Ize-Iyamu in as a governor for Edo State come September. So they need mobility to move fast to reach any destination they want to go. They need mobility. That is why you see that account there. Not be money to support pastor or whatever say or in campaign. To support the PFM boss they want to buy so that the movement of PFM and the movement of Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu group media campaign, everything will be faster home in Nigeria. That is how we say that account there. And so we see my people. Where do know Edo where ayeki gbava mami dere Osage Ize-Iyamu aka betray the na mi but ojino rai ni miawa fiama oka iti gbewa so mugie we gbene we Osage no Ize-Iyamu e fasting we mi ya fefe yan bere we osabo aro yeke mi power na hin wo bog yeke mi we so iviedo na mudia ye yeke na gwe doli power ni so da na dome no make na de baira me o de bado na dome ke na de sajo ne me nwina ka bi ya ne ya hin no tere ya nwe biebe ya fe ni ya make na we enwina o keke ne ya nwina emi o pa kan me beg ba ni and I will continue supporting Pastor Sage Izeyamo till the last day to swear in Usadibe. God bless you, everybody. Talk your own, make I talk my own, and I will remain PFN number 2 vocalist in the name of say campaign for Sage, and it will never change. Continue clapping for the roadway not clear, but when time reach, that Yahoo Sam will they take wash you for Facebook, wash your brain, wash your camera, make sure your name put. Pastor will clean everything, and we will support Pastor. We will begin to knock the boat on top of the thing so that the juju will be expired for your head. We will continue to expose their plan so that the juju will be expired. We know that because God doing my name in all who are muladian. I will bekun ni ma kan azeto bekun ma ti azeto bekun. Okay? Azeto bekun azeto ya bekun ma ti ai ma woni ma bere agbeto ni fo awe agbeto na omo na wa gwalere no do gbogo me. Yes. Only I will not do you giver. When we not agbeto bekun we ado ya zakon ya wa rewe 2020 name iwa ke wa continue ya wa rewe 2020 name iwa ke wa continue. We don't need that again. If you will do that, you can do that then. That is why we say no cause for alarm. It can always say no yeah. See anima so that they don't move forward. No make not do nasayo. God bless you everyone. So I want to leave my brothers and sisters now so that we can talk tomorrow where live video direct. God bless you everyone. So I leave you people for now because tomorrow we have a lot of word to say, and we have a lot of jubilate in the name of say, they change, you know everything. So God bless you, everyone. So let me give you the little one that I can play for you to still understand. Say, my wife lay ya wo my auntie fear with ye pastor remain pastor. If you not so born. Oga so nu ogboni sanpa ti dore no de we eriyan ense era no ma so obo even atebe kin be ma ye ke na mu ne now you know we do gbe ruda we a fasting owo saloboa opologbe. So God bless you everyone as we continue understand that pastor all the way, you know the change. Il So my people, God bless you everyone. I don't wake in off you, can not feel. Osalobo asan wa say ruda we edo we umamagbon na yo edok payata and ruda we esu omwerere man obune for many years. So na edok paya pray we a pastor away deliverance we do bere we a deliverance so take 1 year bezo semene su yagba lokone rere oze we ivye donu zomo imaye continue ago agwan we vene ya kai avian ya fe ni rovie PDP ni pakwe PDP ya fe eyagila le pari ana so maeni ya eyagala le pari an oze we manivie PFF ego paro ni maya vokan mado adeyigwe as we support and we support. God bless you, everyone. Good night for now. Tomorrow we talk about the reality and we continue to say the reality to our people. So, I will write the message in Agwe. That's why I will do a little, maybe 6 minutes or 5 minutes audio to you. They didn't get. Wait for my message any moment from now. God bless everyone. Bye.